Hey guys and welcome back. Today we deal with institution of suit under Code of Civil Procedure. So let's take a look at the law regarding that. The law regarding the same is provided under section 26 of the Code of Civil Procedure plus Order 4 Rule 1 and Order 6 Rule 15. First of all, let's see what section 26 says. Section 26 of the CPC provides that a suit can be instituted by the presentation of a plaint or by any such other manner as may be prescribed. Now, we get it that the suit can be instituted by presentation of the plaint, but some of you may be asking, what is a plaint? Presentation of plaint is required for institution, but what is this plaint? For those of you who don't know, plaint is the document or the averments filed by the plaintiff at the time of instituting the suit. The plaint provides the cause of action, what right of the plaintiff has been violated. It further provides facts and other requirements like jurisdiction of the court, the valuation in the case, prayer, and also verification of facts. Section 26 further provides that in every plaint, facts shall be proved by affidavit. Now we know what the plaint means. We also know that the institution of suit is by presentation of the plaint. But to whom is this plaint presented? That is given in Order 4, Rule 1. Let's see that. Order 4, Rule 1 says that a suit shall be instituted by presentation of the plaint in duplicate to the court or such officer as appointed by the court. And usually this officer is the registrar or the sub-registrar. Order 4 Rule 1 further states that the plaint must meet the requirements of Order 6 and Order 7. And if they are not met, the registrar usually requires the plaintiff to amend the plaint. But that is not given in Order 4 Rule 1, that is what I am telling you. Now we know that a suit can be instituted by presentation of the plaint. We know that this plaint has to be presented in duplicate. We know it has to be presented to the court or to the officer of the court. And we know that the plaint must comply with Order 6 and Order 7, and every fact must be verified with affidavit. Further, Order 6 Rule 15 provides for verification of pleadings. The section provides that every pleading shall be verified at the foot by the party. The person verifying shall specify by reference to the numbered paragraphs of the pleading what he verifies of his own knowledge and what he verifies upon the information received and believed to be true. What this basically means is, at the end of the plaint, the party shall verify at the foot of the plaint by paragraph number, that from paragraph number 1 to 10 I know from my own knowledge, and paragraph number 10 to 20 I am verifying upon information received and I believe it to be true to the best of my knowledge. This verification should also be signed and dated, and the person verifying the pleading shall also furnish an affidavit in support of the pleadings. So in addition to the verification of pleadings, the party is required to file an affidavit. Now, why is verification important and why is affidavit important, and what happens if you don't do it or if the party does not do it? If no verification is done at the foot of the pleadings, the officer of the court usually gives time to the parties to amend his or her pleadings to include the verification. They will not outrightly reject the plaint altogether. They will give time to go back and include the verification. This was held in the case of Bhikaji Keshav Joshi versus Brijlal Nandlal. However, absence of affidavit is a different fact altogether. So what happens if no affidavit is attached to the plaint? If no affidavit is filed, then pleadings are rejected. And this is done to prevent frivolous suits, delays, and also false pleadings. And this was held in the landmark judgment of Salem Advocates Bar Association Tamil Nadu versus Union of India, which is a 2005 judgment delivered by a 3-judge bench. So if the verification is not there, you go back and you amend the pleadings. But if the affidavit is not there, the court will not accept it. The plaint will be rejected. that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe, leave us any requests in the comments, and don't forget to follow us on the social media because we often put updates on our Facebook and other social media.